Every bottle begins far below the surface. Pure volume is the first requirement of scale. Before refinement, everything waits here. Sweetness begins in the soil. Raw energy moves fast. Nature is pressed into precision. Sweetness is engineered. Even bubbles are manufactured.
Flavor begins as a formula.
Nothing moves forward unverified. Separate elements prepare to meet. Now the transformation begins. Movement turns resources into process. Every ingredient arrives on schedule. Precision even before production. Flavor travels under protection. Different paths, one destination. Sweetness moves upward.
Invisible, yet essential.
Balance is controlled here.
Taste is handled carefully.
Everything waits in balance.
Automation takes control. Now, ingredients become a drink. Cleanliness starts at the molecular level. What remains unseen is removed. Light becomes a shield. Purity is forced through discipline. Only the cleanest moves forward. Containers arrive before the drink. Order replaces randomness.
Heat prepares the shape.
Even emptiness must be clean. Only perfection advances. Nothing imperfect survives.
Clean, aligned, and ready.
Now the drink meets its vessel. This is where balance is born. Taste is engineered drop by drop. Uniformity creates trust. Nothing proceeds without proof. Cold creates the perfect bond. Bubbles give life. Precision keeps the sparkle alive. Timing becomes everything. Millions of moments like this. Control prevents waste. Sealing comes next. Freshness is locked in. Clean on the inside and out.
Speed demands dryness.
Details decide survival.
Every bottle has a history.
Traceability is mandatory. Identity arrives in motion. Brand meets bottle. Perception matters. Only the best move on.
Flow is protected here.
Many lines, one outcome. Packaging begins its hold.